to Dream River Digital's continuing training series on our client management system. This is video number 3. In this video, we are going to teach you how to enter in an event or an appointment for a client. In the last video, we showed you how to enter in a client for the first time. We entered in John Doe. So if we go ahead and go to My Clients and then click on John Doe, that'll take us to his case management screen. If we want to enter in a new event or an appointment for that client, we go over here to the right side in these tabs. You'll notice that there's what's called the event plan. And when we click on that for the first time, you'll notice that there are 2 event types already in here. Whenever you set up a client for the first time, their weekly check-ins and their daily check-ins are automatically created for 1 year. You can see here daily check-ins, and it shows you the week that they started, and it says for 1 year. The same with the daily check-ins, and they're running daily for 1 year. You can, of course, delete those and reset them up differently, but we recommend as a starting point, it's always a good idea to have your clients checking in daily and weekly, which is on a Sunday. Now let's look at setting up a new event for this client. So you'll notice the first one is what kind of event this is. So I'm going to click on individual session. How often does this happen? It happens weekly, and the duration is 1 time only, but no, we're going to actually set this up for 1 month, so basically 4 weeks. And is this an appointment? And I'm going to say yes, it is. Do I want to add it to my calendar? Yes, I do, because I want it to show up on my calendar. And then my start date is going to be the 18th. That's the day this will start. And the time is going to be 2:30, whoops, wrong way, 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'll set that up. And the end time will be 3:30. Whoops, again, went the wrong way. I apologize for that. So we'll go to 3:30 in the afternoon. You'll see that that's set up. Do I want to send a text message to John that he has this appointment coming up? And of course I do. The reason why is that will let him know. He'll get a push notification that he has that appointment ahead of time, and that's a nice way of a reminder. So I go ahead and click submit, and then you'll see here that that individual session has shown up, and it shows that it's weekly for 1 month. So I've set up that a time with John. I know that he's going to be coming in on those days. So let's go back to the home page now. And you'll see here that I have that appointment this week on the 18th. If I click on it, it opens up a window. It says I have that appointment with John at 2:30. All right, John's also going to be getting a message. Again, it'll show up in his service as an event that's happening. So when he checks in, he'll also see that, and he'll get an event notification that the day before to remind him that he has that event. Okay, so that's how we set up an event, an appointment for a client, and we can see that it comes up in our weekly calendar. If you click on next week, you'll also see the calendar there. If you look on a monthly basis, you'll see that it's gone out for the next 4 weeks. So it shows that those appointments are all set up for the next month. Okay, that ends this video, this training video. We'll be seeing you again in our 4th